if you have updated the WordPress version to 5.8 or the 5.9 that has just been released recently, you will suddenly find that the classic widgets have now changed to the block widgets, and the classic editor has now been changed to the block editor. So if you are one of those like me who are finding it difficult to manage the things with the block editor and the block widgets, this video is for you, because in this video we are going to see how we can enable the classic widgets and the classic editor with the help of a very small code without using any plugins. Hi, this is Prakash from theskillville.com, and here we learn easy step-by-step WordPress web designing without coding. In this video, we will check out how we can get back the classic editor and the classic widgets with the help of a small code. So let us first check out in the appearance how the widgets are looking with the 5.9 update, and you will see that the widgets are now converted into the block editor. So this is the widgets which is looking as the blocks, and if we now go to add new page, you will also see the page is now opening as a block editor, where you will find it little difficult if you were using the classic editor for a long time. So if we go to the dashboard and hover over to the plugins and go to add new, you will find two plugins which are already available, the classic editor and the classic widgets. With the help of these plugins, you can get back the classic editor and the classic widgets. But as you know, if you are using too many plugins on your website, it will definitely slow down the speed of your website. So here we are going to see how we can achieve this and get back the classic editor and the classic widgets with the help of a small code. So if you're thinking that you are not aware of creating any codes, you need not worry about that, because I will give this code in the description of this video. So to use any code on your website, you need to go to the appearance and go to the theme editor. So I will click on the theme file editor, and here you need to select the theme that you are using and click on the function.php file. Here you just need to scroll down, and here is the code that we will be using to enable the classic widgets on our website. So I will just copy the code and paste it over here, and I will say update the file. Now if I hover over to the appearance and open the widgets in a new window, you will see that we have got our classic widgets back on our website. But here you need to remember that if you are updating anything in the function.php folder, this will disappear if you update the theme in future. So the best way to update this code is to make use of a small plugin, and let me first delete this code from here, and I will just save this file. And if you wish to check, I will check the widgets once again, and you will see that we have the block editor now. And let us go to the plugins and say add new. So here you need to search for code snippets, and we just need to install this plugin and activate it. So remember, this is the safest way to update any code on your website. So instead of getting onto the function.php file and updating the code there, you need to update it from the code snippet like plugin, because it will ensure that your code is present on the website even if you update the theme at any time. So once you enable this code snippet, you will see a tab for the snippets, and here you just need to hover over and say add new. You just need to give this snippet a title. So I will say classic widgets and editor. So we'll go and copy the code for the classic widgets. So we are still working on the widgets, and we will see how we can enable the classic editor. So once you copy the code, you just need to tick this box which says only run in administration area, and save the changes and activate the snippet. So it will say snippet added and activated. Now, if you hover over and go to the widgets and open this in a new window or tab, you will see that you have the classic widgets enabled for you. So similarly, we will have another code for the classic editor. So let me copy this code, and we will first check out how the editor is looking at the moment. So I will say add new, and if we check the new page, it shows as the block editor. So let us go and paste this code below the widget code and say save the changes. And if I go to this page and refresh it now, you will now see that we have the classic editor enabled on our website. So this is the way, with the help of this small code, we can enable the classic editor and the classic widgets on our website. Hope you are finding my videos useful in learning WordPress website creation and overcoming the issues that you encounter while creating the websites. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for all my upcoming videos. So thank you so much and take care.